The biggest advantage of smart locks over traditional locks is intelligence, which improves the security of the home. For example, the security system of the smart lock is incomparable to the traditional door lock. The GL-730 with illegal opening alarm function, anti-break alarm function, low battery alarm function. When enter the wrong unlocking information more than 5 times in 5 minutes, you will enter the lock state and sound an alarm. The lock will be automatically unlocked after 180 seconds. Now I will show you this function. Open a more intelligent life with a lock, active defense, higher security, home life more assured, more comfortable.